Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and today we have Super Saver bag for the month of February. So we have their jewelry plus lifestyle kind of box priced at 349 rupees plus 50 shipping. It is a partly personalized box as well, and all the options will be listed at the end of this video. So this is how the courier packaging reached me, and it was through India Post, and once I opened I have the Super Saver box. So let's open up and see what we have in the February edition. Here we have Super Saver bag, and I'm very happy that they've taken feedback very seriously and they've worked on the packaging. Earlier it used to be a plastic box which always reached me in a bad condition, and now they have their own box. It's a cardboard box, biodegradable, that is good. And inside that even I can see much better things, like first we have the contents and all, and then this packaging. I really appreciate how they have taken feedback and how they have worked on the packaging. So far I'm very impressed. So inside that we have all the jewelry pieces. Again, they're very nicely wrapped up. So let's open it up. Next up I have here is a surprise gift because it is Valentine's month, and what I received is a headphone set. Okay, that's cool. It's an earphone set. Incredible sound experience by Falak. That's great. All the features and everything is mentioned. Alright, that's good. I will definitely be attaching a review of how this works right now on screen, because I'm gonna try it after that, right after this. And anyway, let's open up and see it for once. So this is how the headphones look like, very similar to my Panasonic one, and it also comes with, I think it does come with a microphone. I'm not sure. I mean, too much to ask for, I know. So I'll definitely share a review on screen right now, so you'll get to know a bit better. Now moving on to the other products. With jewelry, I have a nail art piece here. I basically have some fake nails. Wow, that is good. Okay, so here we have some fake nails, and it also comes with a glue so that you can stick it and try the kind of design that you want. That's nice. So this is how the pattern is. Yeah, there is only one pattern for the nails, so you can probably fit it this way. And alright, that looks pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna try it. So I just hope that the glue is not strong enough so that I don't have to peel off my original nails as well. But I definitely feel that I can give it a shot maybe, and just maybe for a function or something if my nails haven't grown yet. It's a good addition. It's nice. It's a thoughtful thing. The accessory part, the first piece that I have here is a watch. Again, it is a choice. You will get a design choice, and this is what I picked, and right now it is working condition. So it's getting a watch in a box at this price point is very good, provided it works for some time, and I believe the quality seems to be okay for the price. And I checked the team. They said as of now the quality is good and everything is in working condition, so that's nice. So this is how the watch looks like, a very simple one, and as for now the design and all looks nice. I mean, no stone is missing and it looks pretty good right now. So getting a watch at this price is definitely good if you are in the habit of, just like me, who wouldn't use a particular watch for maybe more than 6 months or 7 months, and then as a result I don't buy expensive watches also. So then I'm pretty sure you would like it. So this is my first product in the box. Product in the box is a pair of Afghanis, and it's a little different design than usual. The quality is okay. That's it. It's not the best quality, I would say. I am not very impressed with this part. But it's okay. I mean, it's not very heavy, and the color combination is also pretty good. And this is how you wear it. I'm pretty sure it looks pretty, but yeah, I said pretty a lot of times. But quality wise it's fine. No stone is missing, so that is okay. And it's a nice design and very cute also. I'm glad that it is not the typical Afghani design, because I have so many of them already, so it is cute. Again, a pair of earrings, and this is how the earring looks like. It's a cute one, a very cute one, and a very unique design. Again, with color options, I went with brown. Really like the pattern, lightweight and something that's daily wear, yet it's a bit cute. So I think this is one of my favorite pieces in the Super Saver bag for the month of February. Very cute and very nice design. The last piece of jewelry, you will either receive a ball drop earrings or a bracelet or a boho. It depends on your choice. I went with the bracelet, and this is what I received. It is a blue and golden one. It's a daily wear kind of bracelet, very lightweight. I'll probably gift it to someone, maybe a teenager or something. Maybe this is not exactly my type, but it's okay. Quality wise is fine, and it's a daily wear kind of jewelry piece, and it's cute. And I feel that at the end of the day, this box has mix of good things. Like the watch was good, both of the earrings are different, and then we have a bracelet, and then the nail, and finally a headphone as a gift. It's nice. The box overall feels good, and my box is empty also right now. So coming to my review, unlike last time, or until last month, everything was full, the box was full of jewelry. So this time we basically have 3 jewelry pieces, an accessory and something else, and I feel this is a better deal than the earlier ones. I sort of like the box right now, and I feel that at this price point it's a value for money deal. You can definitely buy it for yourself or maybe gift it to someone. So I think Super Saver bag for the month of February did not disappoint me. Let me know how you like the box, and how you feel, whether the box is good, and how you like it, and how you like the video. So we will meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.